Good afternoon. Chapter Tangent and Normal, exercise 6.3 from question number 14, part 2. So the question is, find the equation of the tangent and normal to the given curves at indicated points. Find the equation of the tangent and normal. Tangent and normal to the given curve. To the given curve y equal to x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at 1,3. Okay, so y equal to x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at 1,3. Okay. So here equation of the curve, that is y equal to x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5. Find dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to
3x square minus 18x plus 26, 18x square plus 26x minus 10.
4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10. Okay. Now at 1,3 dy by dx equal to, therefore dy by dx at 1,3 equal to, that is x equal to 1, y equal to 3. X equal to 1 means 4 into 1 cube minus 18 into 1 square plus 26 into 1 minus 10 equal to 4 minus 18 plus 26 minus 10. Okay, so 26 plus 4, it is 30, and 18 and 10, 28 equal to 2. No, 2, it is 2. dy by dx at x equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
So slope of the tangent is 2. Okay, therefore slope of the tangent is 2. Now equation of tangent, therefore equation
Y minus c is equal to 2 into x minus 1.
Equation of tangent is, so y minus at 1,3 point, at 1,3 So y minus
Yes, sir.
3
3.
equal to slope is 2. Slope to x minus 1. Okay. So this is equal to
Yes, sir.
y minus
Y minus 2x is equal to 1.
x minus 2. So y equal to 2x plus 3 minus 2. So y equal to 2x plus 1.
2x plus 1.
Means 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of tangent. Now equation of normal.
Y minus 3 into 2 plus x minus 1 equal to 0.
Equation of normal at same point 1 comma 3. So y minus 3, y1 means 3 equal to slope. So normal slope is minus 1 by 2 because dy by dx is 2. So minus 1 by 2. Okay. Minus 1 by dy by dx. So it is minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1. So cross multiply 2y minus 6 equal to minus x plus
1
1.
minus 6.
So x plus 2y equal to 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. Or you can write x plus
X
2y.
plus 2y minus 7 equal to 0.
The equation of the This is the equation of the normal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, number 3, 14, part 3. It is y equal to x cube. Y equal to x cube at 1, 1. Y equal to x cube at 1, comma 1. Now, so here y equal to x cube, equation of the curve. So dy by dx 3x square. Now at 1, comma 1 dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx at 1, 1 x equal to 1, y equal to 1. It is 3 into
3.
1 square equal to 3. Okay. Now equation of tangent. Equation of tangent
Y minus 1 is equal to 3 into x minus 1.
1, 1. So y minus 1 equal to dy by dx is 3. Dy by dx is 3. Slope x minus 1. So y minus 1 equal to 3x minus 3. 3x minus 3. Now y equal to 3x minus 3 plus 1. So y equal to 3x minus 2. So we can write 3x minus y, 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of tangent. Now equation of normal. Equation of normal at 1 point, at 1 so y minus 1 equal to, and slope is 3, so normal slope is minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 into x minus 1. Okay, it is clear? Normal slope, cross multiply.
Yes, sir.
3y minus 3 equal to minus x plus 1. Now x plus 3y minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the equation of normal. Okay, next, number 4. Y equal to x square. Equation is y equal to x square at 0 0. At 0 0. Okay, so here y equal to x square. So dy by dx equal to 2x. 2x. X square derivative 2x. Now at 0 0. Therefore dy by dx 0 comma 0, at the point 0 comma 0 it is 2 into 0. X equal to 0, it is 0. So slope is 0. Now equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at 0 0. Equation of tangent at 0 0. So y minus 0 equal to slope is 0, x minus 0. So y equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of tangent, y equal to 0. Now equation of normal. Equation of normal at 0 comma 0. So y minus 0 equal to minus 1 by 0. Slope is 0. So normal slope minus 1 by 0 into x minus 0. Okay. Now cross multiply. Y into 0 equal to 0. 0 equal to minus 1 into x. Okay. So minus x equal to 0, and this means x equal to 0.
X equal to 0.
So equation of normal is x equal to 0 and equation of tangent is y equal to 0. Okay, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Question number 15. 1-5. Find the equation of the tangent. Find the equation of the tangent of the tangent to the curve and the equation of the tangent to the curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, x square minus 2x plus 7 and the equation of the tangent to the line to the curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is first part is parallel to the line to x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0 and perpendicular to the line perpendicular to the line 5x minus 5y minus 15x equal to 13. Okay, so the question is find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0 and perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x equal to 13. So we know parallel condition means same slope, that is m1 equal to 0 and perpendicular condition is m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Okay, so equation of the curve is y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, x square minus 2x plus 7. Okay, now find dy by dx. dy by dx equal to x square derivative 2x minus 2.
2x minus 2.
Yes. Now, so first question, parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. So find its slope. So slope of the line,
2.
slope of the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, so find y equal to, so y equal to 2x plus 9. So we know y equal to mx plus c, m is the slope. Okay, therefore slope equal to
2.
2. Okay, because y equal to mx plus c form m equal to slope. Now, and slope of the curve is 2x minus 2. So according to question, 2x minus 2 equal to 2 because parallel line, slope are same, equal m1 equal to m2. So according to question, 2x minus 2 equal to 2. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
2x equal to 4 and x equal to 2. Now x equal to 2. When x equal to 2, find y. When x equal to 2, so y equal to, we know the curve is y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. X square minus 2x plus 7. So x is 2, 2 square is 4, minus 2 into 2, 4 plus 7.
7.
So y equal to 7, 4 4 cancel, y equal to 7. Therefore, the point of contact
Is 4, 7.
2, 7, x2, y7,
Yes, sir. 2,
2, 7. Now equation of the tangent at this point, 2, 7. Now equation of the tangent at 2, 7. So y minus 7 equal to slope is 2 into x minus 2. Now y minus 7 equal to y minus 7 equal to 2x minus 4. So y minus 7 equal
Y
to
minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0.
you write like this way, y equal to 2x plus 7 minus 4. So y equal to 2x plus 3. So this means 2x minus y, 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent at 2, 7. Okay. Now second question was perpendicular to the line. Okay. So slope of the line, line 5y minus 15x, 5y minus 15x equal to 13. Equal to 13 is, so find y equal to, so 5y equal to 15x plus 13.
Slope will be 3.
Then y equal to 15 by 5, that is 3x plus 13 by 5.
13 by 15. 13 by 5.
13 by 5. Therefore slope equal to 3. Slope equal to 3 because y equal to mx plus c. M is the slope. Okay. Now it is given that perpendicular to the line. So equation of the curve, it is given. So slope of the equation of the curve and equation of this line is perpendicular. So according to question, so m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So slope is dy by dx equal to 2x minus 2. 2x minus 2, 2x minus 2. This is the equation of the curve, slope of the curve. Do you have it? X equal to 2x minus 2, okay? And now
Yes, sir.
x into 3, m1 into m2, slope of the given line is 3, equal to minus 1, no? Because the condition is, since m1, m2 equal to minus 1, okay? So, this equal to 6x minus 6 equal to minus 1 equal to 6x equal to 6 minus 1, it is 5.
5.
X equal to
X equal to 5 by 6.
x equal to 5 by 6. So x equal to 5 by 6. Now find y when x equal to 5 by 6. Okay. Then y equal to, put in the given equation of the curve, x square. X square means 5 by 6 whole square minus 2x, 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7. Okay, so this equal to 25 by 36 minus 10 by 6 plus 7. Okay, now 36 is the LCM. 36 LCM. So 25 minus 6 6 is 36. 6 into 10 60 plus 36 into 7
252.
252.
Yes, sir.
Now this equal to 252 plus
217 by 36.
277 now minus 60. 277 minus 60 now by 36
Yes, sir.
equal to 200.
217 by 36.
217 by 36. Okay. Therefore, point of contact
5 by 6 comma 217 by 36.
5 by 6 comma 217 by 36. This is the point. Okay. Now, question is find the equation of the tangent only, no? Equation of tangent.
Yes,
Therefore,
sir.
equation of tangent is equation of tangent is y minus 217 by 36 equal to perpendicular slope. So slope is 3. So perpendicular slope minus 1 by 3. Okay. Perpendicular line. So minus 1 by 3. It is clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Into x
Yes,
minus
sir.
5 by 6. X minus 5 by 6 Now multiply both sides by 3, so it is 3y minus 217 by 3 12 ja 36, 12 equal to minus x plus 5 by 6. Okay. Now each and every term multiply by 12. Okay. So it is 36y minus 217 equal to minus 12x plus 5 by 6 into 12, 10. 6 to the 12, 5 into 2, 10. Okay. Therefore 12x plus 36y. 12x plus 36y minus 217 minus 10. That means minus 227, no? Equal to 0, no? 0. Say.
Yes, sir.
12x plus 36y minus 227 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the tangent when it is perpendicular to the curve. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You understood?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.